In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Wix website link, whether you're looking to share your site with others or simply need your website address for future use. This guide will walk you through the process in a few easy steps. First things first, let's navigate to wix.com using your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll notice a button labeled Login at the top right corner. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. If this is your first time using Wix, you might need to sign up, but if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. After successfully logging in, it's time to head to your site dashboard. Look towards the top menu and click on My Sites. This will take you to a page where all the websites associated with your account are listed. From here, select the specific website you wish to work with by clicking on its title. Now that you're on your site dashboard, the next step is to locate your website URL. You should see options labeled Site Actions or Settings. Navigate there, and you should find a section that displays your website address, often under Site Address or View Site. This is where your site URL lives. With your URL in sight, it's time to copy the link. Find the button that says View Site. Clicking this will open your website in a new browser tab. Once your site is loaded in this new tab, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see your full website URL there. Click on the URL to highlight it completely. Once it's highlighted, you have two options. Right-click on it and select Copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac to copy the URL to your clipboard. With the link successfully copied, you're ready to share it with the world. Whether you're posting it on social media, adding it to an email, or sending it through a messaging app, you can paste the link wherever you need it. Just remember, when pasting, you can right-click wherever you want to place the link and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac, and that's it. You've learned how to copy your Wix website link. This can be incredibly useful for promoting your site and ensuring easy access for your audience. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to start sharing your amazing Wix site with others. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy sharing!